Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Darumaka from Pokemon. Let's get started at the top of our page with the brow. So I'm going to move over to the left side. We're going to draw a swirl. Starting from the inside, we're going to curl around, almost like drawing a circle. Now at the end, we're going to curl it up and out towards the left. Now from here, I want to round this out and pull that in towards the side of the swirl. So round this out, curve in and then down. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right side. So let's line up that starting point, curl in the opposite direction. Now at the end we're going to go up and out towards the right. We're going to round this out and pull that back in towards the side of the swirl. Now we're going to tuck two large ovals underneath the swirl for the eyes. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve around, down towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now in the center of the eyes, we're going to draw a smaller oval for the pupil. And we'll go in and fill those in black. In between the eyes, we're going to draw in the mouth. So leaving a gap, we're going to draw a curve coming down in the middle, then back up. We're going to round out the corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, we'll round this out and pull that in. Now let's close off the bottom of the mouth with another curve. Inside, we're going to draw two angled lines for the teeth. On the left side, we'll angle down with a straight line, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now in between the swirls, we're going to draw the top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then back down. We're going to add a trim, so just stepping down, we're going to draw another curve going up and then down. Now we're going to move out and draw on the side of the head. Underneath the brow, we're going to step out from the eye, we're going to curve out and then down. Now before I draw on the arm, I want to draw on the hands. So we're going to step outwards. We're going to draw on the center finger. Starting up here, we're going to curve out, round out the tip of the finger, and then pull that back in. Now I'm going to draw two more fingers in an angle. Starting from the bottom, we're going to angle this down and out, pull this in towards the wrist. Now we're going to go up towards the top finger, and then pull that back in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. We're going to start with the top, start with that center finger going out, and then back in. Now from the top, we're going to draw on the first finger going up, coming in towards the wrist, around towards the bottom, and then back in. Now let's draw on the top of the arm. Starting on the inside of the wrist, we're going to curve up and over the side of the head. So there's a little bit of an overlap. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving up and then in. Now let's move down. From the bottom of the wrist, we're going to curve down and then in. We'll be drawing this character in a walking position, so we're going to draw the bottom of the foot on the right side. We're going to start with the center toe, just underneath the arm. We're going to draw a curve going up, and then curving that back down. Now the same thing we did with the hands. We're going to start on the inside. We're going to curve out the first toe, come down towards the bottom of the foot, up towards the right, and then curl that back in. Now let's add the leg. Starting from the side of this toe, we're going to curve up, and then in. At the bottom of the heel, we'll curve down and then in. I want to continue the side of the head down underneath the arm, in behind the leg. Starting down here, we're going to curve down and then in. Now this is going to curve along the bottom. We're going to leave a gap on the left side here and come up underneath the left arm. Stepping in, curve down. We're going to pull that up to right about there. We're going to leave a gap for the leg and continue on the left side up underneath the arm. Now the left leg is going to be bent, so we're going to draw on the upper part of the left leg. Starting up here, curve down, almost like a half circle, and then pull that up underneath the body. Now let's tuck the top of the foot underneath the leg. Starting underneath the leg here, we're going to curve out, round out the toe, and we'll pull that in. We'll draw another toe, coming down, and we're going to pull this up, leaving a little gap. Now we're just going to curve this in and up underneath the body. The last thing we're going to do is add 3 ovals in the center of the body, starting with the middle. Starting at the very top, drawing an oval. Now we're going to move over to the left side. Now we're going to angle this in. Starting from the top, curve down, and then back up. Now this oval on the right is going to be angled in the opposite direction. Starting from the top, curve around, and back up towards the top. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Darumaka from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.